off to my friend's wedding in Venda tomorrow. We're growing older, man. I mean, I don't even know. Like, it's as if, you know, you don't realize how old you are until things happen. Because a few years ago we were in primary and then high school, then varsity, then now we older. We even work, child the money and all these other things, man, have businesses. It's just one of those things that you never realize. So I hope you guys will enjoy this journey. Obviously, along the way or once I'm there, I usually don't vlog too much, so I'll just show you footage of us having fun there and enjoying ourselves. I might not introduce myself ever again, and I might not even close the vlog. I'm that guy, you know. But yeah, let's enjoy ourselves and let's go.
Yeah, I talk about myself and the life in every kid. Yeah, I talk about myself and the life in every kid. Yeah, we talk about us, talk about us, talk about us. Yeah, we talk about us, talk about us, talk about us. Yeah, I talk about myself and the life with every kid. Now, yeah, I talk about myself and the life with every kid. Hey.
I'm done. Do you want?
Just care what was coming next. Next big things are coming. It's our time, I know you see the road, but it's not an option.
I trust it.
Very proud. In the garden, you're so beautiful, you're the rose. It's our time, I know you see the road, but it's not an option.
Hi. No, oh, you have to say ah. Yeah, let's go. Study sleep up.
Make a wish for your death, babe. Next big things are coming. Always be yourself, be original. I know sometimes you feel there's nothing left. Yeah.
I'm about to bath, but I just wanted to say one thing.
The rain in Spain.
No. Tivoli!
Tivoli!
Don't ever try to kill yourself, babe. Don't lose the side of yourself, babe. Always be yourself, be original. Just care about what's coming next.
So someone decided this was a nice idea. Look at that. To activate the shower, you have to heat that. So all the time you bath, you showering, you have to hold that, or else this happens. Wow. Nice. Okay, it was not because that thing was messed up. It's because of the water pressure. So I just changed the water pressure and it works nicely.
Yeah. Before and after.
Yeah.
I want you to tell me how you feel now. Tell me how you feel now. I want you to tell me how you feel now. Tell me how you feel now.
It's our wedding day. It's our wedding day. It's our wedding day. Baya shatanam shanje. It's our wedding day. It's our wedding day. It's our wedding day. Baya shatanam shanje. Wow. It's like How do I even release it? I don't even know. It's like it's nice though. What?
And you wanted the center of everything. Yes. And the bride everything. Okay, sure. Okay, sure. What is the plan? Everything's done here. Reception. Everything happens here. The reception also happens here. Already, ma.
It's did day. I'm reminding you.
If I'm more of her.
You didn't eat.
No, I didn't eat.
Yeah, it will come out if you ate. It's good that you didn't eat.
And I didn't sleep.
Yo.
There was no way you could sleep.
There was no. Yeah. But yeah,
this is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
It's absolutely.
The venue, everything. It's well planned. It's amazing. It looks amazing. This is worth it.
Even the ladies that were already taken.
Yeah, today we taken. We were.
Remember, they are part of decoration, so.
Yeah. Oh wow!
You have to be selective.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
well, I just wanted to see you.
Okay,
yeah,
thanks,
just to
guys.
make sure.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, we're gonna chat.
Take your time. Yes, boy.
I promise to love you. I promise to cherish you until death do us apart.
I take you, Dalton, as my lawful wedded husband. I promise to love you, to cherish you, to respect you always. In sickness, in health, in riches, in poor, until death do us apart.
Warum did you come on about Tatana? Say, Uri, speech shower Tatana for you.
Speak short at time. In our papa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop again. Yeah, so oh, you are changing again?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about time. Just gone.
endlela mashaka hayi mama tamani ntsena mara mashaka lama kahle. Amen. Na mtshembisa leswaku n'wana wa n'wina ta hlayisa ku va hi yimila namuntlha mina na yena a yo fosteliwa mi fanele mi swi twisisa sweswo.
I missed that, but it's not.
Aye. Since that I love you now, I'ma support you and satisfy you. Your heart is paralyzed. Nah, cut this shit out. Let me start again. Hey, since that I love you now, I'ma support you and satisfy you. Your heart is paralyzed, man. I'll be around even when days are dark. Since that I love you now, just make sure that you never made me cry. Your presence in my life, yeah. I'm being original, you lift me up. I only see you carried myself from this house, yeah. When you feel I'm not okay, just give me hopes, yeah. You from the desert, but I'm surprised you the rose, yeah. I'ma make sure that my family meet your family toast for us. You're the person that I love.
I just came back from the wedding today and I'm super tired. I don't know what to do. We're looking all nice, you know. I'm not coming from the wedding today. It was traveling day from Brenda, then Muyeshe, and then back here. It was an amazing day. I came back with a friend of mine called Temba, and yeah, it was a vibe, man. I love when things come back together. I just want to say thank you to Dumi for going with me, you know. And obviously I spent some time with Amos and his lady, and it was amazing. I want to take this thing off. Ties, I don't even understand good people. Yeah, but it was an amazing day. An amazing day yesterday. It went well, you know. The wedding went well, and yeah, it was one of those. I'm sure you have already seen the thing because this is like an outro. We're closing this thing, so thank you for watching. Let's keep doing this. It's all.